how do I know if my baby is on track for development? I have 7 children, and I have from 0% to 100 in development. And the real question is do you want your baby on baby-dictated development, or do you want it on time-dictated development? Baby-dictated development is if you take the approach of, every baby's develop at their own rate. Give them time, let them do their own thing, and just let things happen. Well, on baby-dictated development, the whole point of baby-dictated development is that things are not happening, which is why your baby is having to figure out things in their own time and in their own way. But if your baby's on time-dictated development, things are just happening. You are caught off guard. You're by 12 months old, usually you're like, holy cow, my kid's walking. Like, I better figure something out. And if they're not, you're kind of like, how long should I be waiting for this? And if your child's 7, 8, 9, 10 months old and they haven't even started rolling over yet, and someone's telling you like, oh, every baby's different, like, no, there's a serious problem, and you need to start helping your baby experience time-dictated development, because on their own, obviously, it's not working for them. And so here at Movement Lesson, we are about proactive care. We are not about reactive care, and unfortunately, that's what the medical system has turned into, is to be reactive care. Unless there's something that we know is wrong, like, we're not going to do anything, and that doesn't work for me. That doesn't work for you. And so you need to know how to get your baby on track with time dictated development. And to do that, first you need to get a movement assessment. Michelle Turner, on her Facebook group, Movement Lesson for Parents and Practitioners, she gives time dictated movement assessments for your child. She will tell you right where your child's at, right where they are in the time dictated development, and tell you how to work with your child. You have to give them the you have to give them the movement process to understand how to development. Your child may be moving, but they're not understanding development, which is why they're on baby dictated development. The second thing is you have to be committed to help your child. If you're thinking, oh, if the doctor's worried enough, they're going to tell me, guess what? They're not. If you're expecting the doctor to do something proactively, 99% of them are not going to, and I'm probably still giving them credit with that framework. They are on wait and see development. Your baby will be okay. Stop worrying. No, worry and do something to help your baby. So you need to be committed, and you need to take the time to do it. 2 hours a day, minimum, to really jumpstart your baby's optimal development, because it's not happening for them. Yes, down the road you can do a little bit less, but if you want to spend a lot of time with them with developmental delays that are compounding because you're not taking care of it now, you'll have to spend a lot more time later helping your child than taking the time now to help your child. Now, will all children turn into developmental delays? No, but if they're on baby dictated development, they're just not going to have the optimal future that they could. And you're going to have more awkwardness, you're going to have more difficulty. So it really is up to you to act now. Look down in the description. There are a ton of links to help you. You pick the one that best suits you, where you can start helping your baby. I have them in order of importance, but at the same time, everyone is in a different phase of life. And so it's up to you. You cannot wait for a doctor to help you with your baby, because they're just not going to. It's all up to you, and we give you the tools to know how to help your child, the parent resources, things like that you just won't get in other types of parent resources, because ours is focused on baby dictated development. So like and subscribe to the channel, and go check out the description so you can get the help you need to help your baby now.